Avalanche and flood risk ahead with this next storm. This will be a much warmer storm than what we saw last week, and that means we're going to be putting rain on top of the feet of snow that we saw in the Sierra. That's going to add to the avalanche danger, so we're watching the risk that could at times go up to a warning. We'll continue to monitor the backcountry area in particular. Also watching the flood risk, and that's because of the rain on top of snow. Rivers and creeks and streams will be especially vulnerable on the northwest coast. The way that this system is coming in is going to certainly favor parts of the Pacific Northwest all the way into the northwest corner of California. That's what's really elevating the flood concerns there. It's pretty much a one-day event for us in and out of here during our Tuesday, and then we're back to the dry and warmer weather.